of us want to be happy all the time. We'll be happy only when we are free from inside. Only when we are free from inside. If you don't have freedom from inside, outside we don't know whether we get freedom or not, because there will be a lot of rules and regulations in this world. There will be a lot of things, there will be a lot of dependencies. So you can be always free from inside. That is your choice. That freedom will come out of your own choices. How you will get the freedom? By letting go all the things, not holding all the things. I want this is mandatory. I want that is mandatory, and I want this person, that is must. If somebody is changing, will not be happy. If somebody is not changing, will not be happy. That means we are taking all things inside. We are not letting go all the things. If you drop all the things from inside, you should not keep anything from inside. Nothing should go inside. We should keep everything outside only. If you keep everything outside, you will be free from inside. You can be with everybody, you can be with anything, anybody in this world, but you should not keep all the things inside. Don't take anything personally. There is a statement called as "don't take anything personally" in one of the wonderful book called as 4 Agreements. If you take all the things from a personal point of view, you will never be happy. So the freedom which we wanted to get, that is our own choice, that will come based on our own way of thinking, our own way of letting go of the things. Don't hold all the things. The whole world should not be as you like. It has its own way of things. Things will move as per its own. You should not run behind anything. You should not hold anything. So be happy with whatever it is. Let go all the things. Keep silence inside. There should be inner silence. Inner silence should be maintained. Inner silence will be maintained when we don't hold anything. When we don't hold anything, we should let go all the things. So only when we get freedom like this, by letting go all things, we'll be truly happy. Otherwise, happiness will be temporary. Happiness will not be in our hand if we don't let all the things go.